Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt. This is WakeyTwoWheels, just in case you haven't been here before. This is not the usual kind of video, because today we are heading down to the Redbeck Cafe, because they've got a little event going on, and it's to do with the security of your bike. So let's go check that out. Roll the music. It's really strange to be coming out this late. The event is actually 6:30 PM till 8 PM. That's what it says on the sign anyway. I think it's so people can come down after work. A little update on the Redbeck Cafe as well. I do believe it's still up for sale. I haven't heard any different yet, and yeah, I've heard rumours that he's been talking to property developers for the land, because there is a lot of land with that cafe, and if that's the case, it'd be sad to see a cafe go, especially one that I go to quite regular. There's a couple of bikes here at least. Alright. Plenty of people here. Right, I'll get my shit together, guys. I'll see what's going on. Cheers, mate. Right, so this is us pulling away from the bike meet. Basically what happened was, we all met up. There's a bike meet going on as well. There's a lad there called Sparky. He runs the bike night. He also runs another bike night down in Emsworth, and he organised it. He organised for the police officer to come down, and we basically went into a room inside the cafe the police officer took us through a brief explanation of what these tags do and how to fit them, and handed them all out. So I've got a couple in the back of the bike, and when I get home I'll do a little video and show you how I fitted them. But yeah, well worth the trip. If I asked the police officer, is there anywhere else where she's doing this, and she said no, this is the first night that she has actually done. But we all said to her, like, get you sitting around the biker cafes, because I can see you being very, very popular. I am hearing more and more about these tags, so I do know it's getting quite popular. And basically, what you get, the two stickers, one's meant to be visible and the other one's meant to be hidden somewhere on your bike. The visible one would help put off a thief, and the hidden one would stay hidden from the thief so the police can find it and identify the bike to you. So that, I mean, that is a really good, I love that. And to say it's free, completely free, didn't cost me a thing. Perfect, absolutely perfect. But what I'll do is, I'll get myself home and I'll show you where I'm going to put the stickers on the bike, and maybe explain a bit more about what's going on with them. Right, so we are back at home, and these are the little cards and stickers that the police officer gave us. And what you do is basically you scan the QR code to register it on the app. Well, you have to download the app first, sorry. Then you scan the code to register it. This grey sticker is designed to go somewhere on your frame that's hidden. And then you've got a little orange sticker here that is made to be visible somewhere on the bike. So maybe I'm thinking about sticking it there. The orange sticker is to put any would-be thieves off, and that is designed to stay hidden so the police can find it and identify the bike to you, as it says there, police traceable. So let's try and find somewhere on the bike. So once I've taken all my toolkit out, and that's my toolkit, spare bits of my torch, a little wrench there, I've got this spot here, but I think that's going to be too easy. I could put it there, I suppose. I could put it right there, but that's on a plastic bit of, I'd like it to be on a metal bit of frame if I can. There's this, but it's a bit thin. Oh, there's that. Could I get that off? That's a metal bit of frame there. So if I could get, I'll have a look under the saddle first. So yeah, I've managed to clean off a little bit of that rubber there. Oops, try that one again. I've managed to clean off a little bit of that rubber there, and now I've got a nice flat spot for that to sit on a piece of metal frame. So let's get that stuck on. So yeah, here's the sticker going on. It won't fit there, I'll fit it there. DNA protected. There we go. So every time I do a video now, you'll be seeing that on my dashboard. So yeah, I'd like to thank Sparky for, he's a lad down at Redbeck that organises the bike nights, and he organised the police to come down and sort all this out for us. Thanks to him, my bike's a bit more secure, and I'm sorry that I only got to meet you briefly. I think I got to shake his hand and say hello, and that was it. But yeah, now I feel a bit better that my bike can be identified to me, and it was completely free. Completely free, so thank you so much for that. And I'll put the links in the video, or the video description, for all the websites and stuff like that you can get these from. I asked the police officer if she was doing any other events, and she said no at the moment. She said that was the first event that she's doing, so hopefully there's going to be more. But yeah, if you get the chance to do this, do it. But yeah, I'm going to go for another ride now. Thank you very much. See you all later.